Much of Haiti has been devastated by deforestation as poor, hungry people eke out a living. The result is more poverty as the country's soil gets washed into the sea, causing flooding and hunger, while pushing ever more poor people into overcrowded city slums. Little by little, many hands can make a difference. This community near Petit Goave was racked by tension over access to water. But a locally driven initiative to combat these problems is getting trees back on the mountains and leading by example. Local subsistence farmer Patrick Pierre-Paul explains that water is in high demand locally. If we cannot water our gardens, we lose them, he says. He tells of fights between neighbours over water. But thanks to these microcanals, the water is shared amongst farmers and they manage to grow banana and ground crops all at the same time.
Et donc, nous pas seulement arrêter dans la question pour arroser maïs, autant qu'autrefois, mais qu'on a là nous fait plus bagages qui donc il y a plus cob qui rentre.
To improve conditions for growers in the fields, the community looked for solutions above them in the deforested mountains.
Moi c'est Israel.
Igor Israel explains how the community sat down with international experts who helped create nurseries and design forestry management systems. He says that the past 5 years have brought great improvements. The local